You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing biblical names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. There are two different ways of pronouncing this in English. In British English and in parts of the US, this is said as Amen, Amen, although in certain parts of the United States and possibly other countries as well, it is said as Amen, Amen. And now you know. Amen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.